Okay, we haven't put Sadie's pink shoes on her since we got her, and we thought we might do it just to see how she likes them. Hi, Sadie. Let's see how she likes them. Sadie, do you like your pink shoes? Come here, Sadie. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Look at Sadie wearing shoes.
I hear the sound of it.
It's like jingle bells. Come here, sweetie. Oh, her ears are down. Come here.
Go see Mom.
Rome, what's his tennis shoes? Come here.
Come here, buddy. They're right here.
Come here.
They're right here, Rome.
Sadie, come here. You got your pink shoes on, Sadie. Do you like them? Does she like them, Ro? Ro wants his tennis shoes on now. Hey, Sadie, come here. Come here. Oh, Sadie. We used to actually put these on you when you were a puppy. Where were we living our glory days of you as a... Oh, yeah.